guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find two-step verification settings on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. First click on these three lines here. Now click settings and now click privacy and security, and here you'll find it two-step verifications, and here you can set a password. And that's it for today. That's how to find two-step verification settings, easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.